Hi, hello?
State your business. What's up?
This is your city sound ordinance department calling, and I've gotten a noise complaint coming from your neighbor every night for the past week. Can I ask what you have been doing?
Where is this neighbor? What address is this?
Well, that can't be true because I was told that during the day there are repetitive sexual noises coming from your home.
Oh, you're crazy, man. I don't know where you're talking about. Thank you. Bye.
Do you watch a lot of